Hello friends, this is your physics Sita ma'am. Today in this session we are going to see what is potential at a point due to system of charges. This electric potential obeys superposition principle. Superposition principle. So you know very well what is superposition, right? It's nothing but the net force on a given charge. The net force on a given charge is a vector sum of all individual forces exerted by various charges separately. What does it mean? The net force on a given charge, that is Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 till Qn. The net force on a given charge is a vector sum of all the individual forces exerted by various charge separately. So this is the superposition principle. From this, the potential at any point, we are just taking that the potential, the potential at any point P. This is a P point due to a group of point charges. This is due to the group of point charges. So what and all charges is present here? Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 till Qn present. So the potential at any point P due to a group of point charges, that is Q1, Q2, Q3 till Qn, which is equal to the algebraic sum of the potentials, which is equal to the algebraic sum of the potentials. Potential symbol represents V. Remember that potential symbol represents V. Algebraic sum of the potentials due to what we are getting, that is Q1, Q2 till Qn at point P. At point P we are getting. So what is V1 and V2? We want the potential, right? So what is V1 in this case? V1, V2, V3 till V1. Be the potentials at P due to the charges Q1, Q2 till Qn respectively. So what is the potential at P? Yes. Now we want to know what is the potential at P. Now what is the total potential? That is the total potential at P point. This is a P point we know very well. At P point is what? We are going to find that. We know very well before that only that V equatorial, potential at equatorial point, that is 0 volts. As per the formula point charge, we are taking that V equatorial is equals to 0 volts. Therefore, V is equals to, what is the final answer we can conclude for the V? Because this P point, this is the P point, which you have the P point. Q1 charges we have Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 till Qn, which is equal to the algebraic sum of the potentials due to charges. At P. So let V1, V2, till Vn be the potential at P due to the charges Q1, Q2, Q3. Yes. Yes. Now, what is the total potential at P is? V equatorial equal to 0 volt. So, what is the V? You know the formula, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. We are just taking that V is equals to, what is the formula related with this? V is equals to V1 plus V2 till Vn we are going to take. This is the basic formula for the potential. So, V equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. In the case of total potential means V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1 plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q2 by R2 till 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Qn by Rn we are just taking. So this is the potentials we are taking from this. Did you understood? Yes. Now what is the next step we are taking? That is V is equals to 1 by, I am just taking this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common outside for all the cases. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught remaining would be Q1 by R1 plus Q2 by R2 till Qn by Rn. So this is the total potential at P. This is the total potential at P. So V is equals to, final we just concluded that V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1 plus Q2 by R2 till Qn by Rn. So remember that potential at a point due to system of charges, potential at point due to system of charges, it always obeys the superposition principle. Always obeys the superposition principle. What is the superposition principle? I told you. The net force on a given charge is a vector sum of all the individual forces. All the individual forces exerted by various charges separately. So the final answer you will be having the principle of superposition, that is V is equals to V1 plus V2 plus. So in the case of superposition, that is F is equals to F1 plus F2 plus Fn till Fn we have. So V is equals to, what is the total potential as acting? That is V is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 by R1 plus Q2 by R2 till Qn by Rn. I hope you all understood this. Thank you.